Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a purchase order from Mindless Crafting. I received it in the mail yesterday, but didn't have enough time to do the video. So we're going to pull this out, pull this away. And it's two of their newest stamps, which is the Mermaid. I think this is the Be a Mermaid is this one. Okay. Here's the name of the stamp here, the stamp set. And this one is Brighter Days. Okay. I will link these two stamps down below, stamp sets down below in the description box. And I just want to let y'all know that this is high quality, good quality polymer stamps. And the way they come is in a little folder like this. So you make sure when you don't lose any of your stamps once they're being used, and that's what I like about them. So I will be using these in future projects and future videos, and I hope y'all go on over and purchase these. I mean, they come with sentiments and everything in one set. Okay, and the mermaid one, you have celebrate life, celebrate you, embrace, why be ordinary when you can be a mermaid. And the bottom one is just when she felt she was drowning in the sea of life, she became a mermaid. Isn't that pretty? Sorry for the glare. And then on this one, it says, we stick together no matter the weather. I've got you covered. Brighter days are ahead. Rain or shine, I'm here for you. These are the two newest stamps that they have. And I paid for these. So these are my purchases. And I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a new video or I upload any type of content. Also, be kind, be loving, be safe, and also be loving. And I will say thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.